Not all multimeters can measure temperature. Before you begin, check if your multimeter can measure temperature. If your meter can measure temperature, you will see a thermometer symbol on the multimeter dial. To measure temperature with your multimeter, you are not going to use the standard black and red leads. Instead, you are going to use a thermocouple and a thermistor. A thermocouple is a rectangular block with two metal prongs. One prong will have a positive symbol, the other a negative symbol. The thermocouple has a sheathed wire extending from it. We use this wire to measure temperature. The negative prong on the thermocouple will be plugged into the COM port. The positive prong on the thermocouple will be plugged into the temperature port. The symbol for the temperature port is a thermometer. It is usually the same port used for voltage. The thermocouple has a wire extending out of it with a thermistor at the end of the wire. A thermistor is a resistor whose resistance is dependent on temperature. Based on the resistance of the thermistor, the multimeter can read the temperature.